Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to fix missing features on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. You have to click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Click on the three lines which are present at the right top corner. Now click on Setting and Privacy. Scroll this bar and click on Free Up Space. Now clear the cache. All the cache will be cleared from your TikTok app. If still you are facing this problem that you have some missing features on TikTok, then you restart your app or update app. Inshallah, your problem will be resolved. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciable. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.